in the kitchen at the hub with Georgia. Hi everyone, in this video I want to share with you a recipe to make a smoothie. This is a recipe that I came up with myself, and I picked ingredients that I'm reading about that really seem to have specific properties as we think about what we can eat to really protect ourselves from a virus infection such as COVID. So every little bit's going to help. And it is nice to know that you have some control over something to help your health. What you eat is certainly something you have control over. So I'm here today to share a recipe that can help you protect and support your immune system during this era. The first ingredient in my smoothie is an orange. Oranges have wonderful nutrients in them, not just vitamin C, but several nutrients that really can be beneficial to your immune system. So one of the things I love about making a smoothie is the low amount of prep that it is. So you can just peel the orange and then put it into the blender. You don't have to cut it up any further than that. So one orange, then we're going to add a cruciferous vegetable, and I'm choosing kale today. So I'm going to use 2 leaves of kale. And why am I choosing kale? Because cruciferous vegetables have wonderful nutrients. Many of those nutrients are what gives it the great green color that it has. And these nutrients help support our natural immune system processes. And they're big words like glutathione, alpha tocopherol, which is a form of vitamin E, and some beta carotene, which is a form of vitamin A. So again, several compounds within that plant that work together, the compounds work together to help protect your health and build your immune system up. So we've got 2 big fat leaves of kale, we've got 1 orange, and now we want to add a liquid. I have cherry juice here. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of cherry juice. You don't have to add juice. Juice adds more sugar. You could just simply use water. I have a filter for my water, but so good clean water, a 1/2 cup of whatever your liquid is that you want to choose. I just added cherry juice. So to add some more flavor, I'm going to add ginger. Ginger is great for your immune system and your digestive system. So just a couple pieces of some fresh ginger that I cut up. Ginger is something you can buy that you can buy it already as a processed spice, or you can buy whole natural ginger and peel off the outer layer. I usually just peel it with a paring knife, and then the meat inside of the ginger root, you can slice it and use it in something like a smoothie or a stir fry. Or if you're not going to use it right away, you can go ahead and put it in the freezer after you've peeled it all off and maybe sliced it, and then it's ready to use really easily and quickly once you've prepped it in that way. So I added some ginger, and now I'm going to add some Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts have a lot of selenium, over 50 micrograms of selenium per nut. That's about enough for most of us for the day, just 1 nut. I'm going to add 5 to my smoothie. So you could take selenium in a pill, but I think it's much more lovely to just take it in food. Food really is the front line as far as nourishing your body. If you want to take a supplement, you can supplement your diet, your food, with a supplement. But remember, it's a supplement, and food really is the first and foremost front line to nourish your body. If you'd like to take a supplement, I really strongly suggest you get expert advice, a health professional that really knows how to navigate supplements uniquely for your needs. So back to my smoothie, we've got an orange, we've got cherry juice, we have kale, we have 5 Brazil nuts, and now I'm going to add a little bit more flavor. I am going to add a little bit of turmeric. Turmeric is a very healthy spice that has what's called curcumin or curcuminoids in it, very beneficial for helping with your immune system, and it's often in curries or Indian food. So it has a unique flavor. If you haven't used it before, maybe use it just, like 1/2 teaspoon the first time, but then add more, even up to a tablespoon in something like this would be super healthy. It will bring it a lot of orange color too. Another spice that I love for the, mainly just actually the taste is lovely, to add to something like this, especially with oranges, is cardamom. Super yummy and unique. You could do cinnamon as well. But cardamom is very novel. Not people aren't using it that often, and it adds just kind of a fun, unique flavor to the smoothie. So I have turmeric, and I added cardamom, and then I am finally gonna add some of my protein powder. You don't have to add protein powder. I like to add protein powder to make sure I get my protein that I need every day. And so I like to choose for myself a plant-based protein. This is a pea and multi-grain based protein powder. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and whip this up and